£60, is it? 70? To you, 50 quid. What are they? Come on, tell me in numbers. He's the man in charge. He's the guy. Say there, no wheels on it. You don't need to get to chuck them up here like these clever bulls do. Funfighters do, don't they? There we are. Two aircraft there, children.
Up we go. What are we doing? All the way over the top.
By the way, I understand this show's here at you. You're for punishment, sir. Have we got travelling publications sponsoring us next year? So would I like an ice cream? Where are you? The ice cream fella here. Oh, do you want an ice cream out there? He's too busy watching aircraft, he can't tell us. The Funfighters added at £70. Would you like an ice cream? Yes, please. Hey, that's the ground. Is he dead? Well, come on, if one can do it, so can you all. Yes, please, yes.
Up we go.
He'll be doing properly this time. Jake, get the lollipop down. They're down below. I didn't know there's nothing still in the caravan. Oh.
Simon!
Well, silencer, is it? Is it?